Hi, I am Sebastian and my experiment today is about density, which is used to describe how much space an object or substance takes up in relation to the amount of matter in the object or substance. In a simpler way to understand density is the amount of mass per unit of volume. The more dense an object or substance is, it will settle at the bottom, and the less dense it is, it will float on top. My substances that I will be using today are some water, food coloring, oil, and a syrup, and you will see which substance is more dense than the other. Firstly, I will start by adding some water in the glass. And then add a few drops of food coloring. And stir together. Then I will add the syrup in the glass of water. When it settles, you will notice that the syrup will settle below, which means that the syrup is more dense than the water and the water is less dense than the syrup. And lastly, I will pour the oil in the glass. As I pour the oil in the glass, you will notice that the oil is settling on top, making it less dense than the water, and the water is more dense than the oil. Now I am going to add different objects to see which has more or less density. This is a dice what we used to play games with. The dice has more density than the oil as well. This is a wheel from a toy car. The wheel has less density than the water. This is a nail. This is a nail. The nail has more density than the oil and the water. This is a pencil. This is a coloring pencil what we use to color with. The color pencil has less density than the water and the syrup. This is a candle. The candle has less density than the water and syrup and oil. So this was my short science experiment demonstrating density.